guys, it's me Ibrahim today. Today is the new vlog. I'm sorry I was too late because I had a fever and a cold. Okay, now I have some new toys for my birthday. It was two years ago. So I'm gonna do my unboxing of my toys. First toy is my safe. And we're gonna unbox it. First, the manual. I got this from Cinchoras when it was in English. I won't give this to children because they eat the battery jar. And there's a tension. First you have to press 00 to open the safe, then you can read all the rules, okay? Then and you will open the safe. Look, the safe. Look, the code. And press any code to enter like this. Look like this. If you want to have all the money of 75, subscribe to our channel. You give us 1 million likes and give us a like. Please. Okay. Now the next toy of mine. And I've almost forgot. Here we can put the coins. Like there's some coins in here. This is the Monopoly. This also brought this from Cinchoras. Look, first we open the pack. If you know children how to play Monopoly, if you don't know how to play the Monopoly, this is the right channel to learn how to play Monopoly. First, I unpack. First, each player first. Open the case, then a board. 1 second. The instructions. If you buy Monopoly, if you find the instructions, come to my channel and see from these instructions. And these are the 1 second. These are the community chest cards and the property cards. If you land on a house, you have to pay first. Look, wait a second. Let me put on the board. You may be wondering why my Monopoly board is broken. Because it was like this. Look. Oh yeah. Oh. 1 second. Now, okay, okay. This is. क्यों कर रहे हो? आपको तो पसंद है ना? Man, don't come in my video, idiot! First, the Monopoly board. Do you have some kind of these prices? You have to pay the banker like if you circle around the goal space, then the banker will give you $200. If you are playing first, if you landed on this space, the jail is just visiting. Nothing will happen here. If you reach to here, that you will come back here. Okay, put your token right here. Okay, now let me tell you about the equipment. Now, this is the money. Look, each player gets $1,500. $1,500. Example, in that instructions paper. That instruction papers got the place that how many notes do you have need to make $1,500. Okay, first look, the $100 right here, the $5 note is right here, the 500 is the biggest note. Okay, now the token. Now. Look, these are the tokens. In the equipment, this is the wheeler, the horse, the car, the yacht, the zebra, the hat of that guy on Monopoly, and this iron, and this Monopoly man's foot, and a knight's hat. Each player gets 10 tokens, and in this token, take your favorite token and put it on the go place on the board. Okay. On the go place on the board. Now let me tell you about the houses. are the these are the these are the these are the property cards. These are the property cards. If you land on a building, if it says $200, first you have to take the card, and when a player reaches to your house, they have to pay the rent. The rent is paid on the card, like here. The rent is $20. Okay, if you Henry Martin. Do you know now the property cards? Okay, children. These each ones. Now, kids, adults, these are the community chest cards. If you land on a community chest or a chance card, like this chance card, this is a chance card, this is a community chest card. If you land on a community chest card and it says bank in your favor, collect $200, okay? You have to go collect $200, and the game requires 8 players to play, okay? Now, let me tell you about the chance cards. The chance cards are red. The community chest card and the chance are like both same there. But chance means that if you land on a chance card, it will tell you to pay the banker or the hospital. If like in that instruction paper, that we have to choose, that we have to be the banker, the bank, the hospital, or the gassing man does pump the cars, that pumping the cards. These are the cards. These are mean of chance. Like if you go to the station of Leon. If you pass, go collect $200. If you know this, okay. Okay. If someone you have to get a meeting with the banker of the Park Leon and collect $200. Okay. Now and now everyone knows that community chest and now chance cards. And now I will tell you about the houses. The red house is mean for the bigger house, and this green house means for something that's so small property, a small property. Okay. Now these two dice will tell you how many steps you have to go on the board. First, you have to start from the go. If the dice rolls on. If the dice lands on 9, first we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you land on a place, now we have to wait. If another player comes by to your place, then he has to pay the rent of yours. Okay, you have to pay the rent of yours. Okay, now if Uzair Kushal, my best friends, they also know how to play Monopoly and chess. If Kushal and Uzair, if you're watching this, please like this video and subscribe. Okay, because I have millions of followers. Now, I will tell you about this white marker. This white marker is just not for. It's just a gift packaging, just for gift. It's just for a board marker. This is not for nothing. Okay, now I'll tell you about my next gift. Wait a second, guys. Now, this is my new bow and arrow. It has lights, exactly. But I don't know where are the arrows exactly. But it's a very cool light. If you want it, subscribe to me. Okay. This is all for this video. If you liked it, comment in the video. And bye bye. See you soon. Peace out.